Good morning, student. As we have done in exercise 5G question number 1 and question number 2. Yes, we have done both of these questions and then come to the question number 3rd. We are going to continue this exercise and we are going to complete this also. Okay, coming to the question number 3rd, see what is given and what they have asked in this question. So read the question. Show that M is parallel to N. Here the figure is given where M line and N line, they are saying that these two lines are parallel. You have to show them, you have to prove them. Okay, if the angles have measurements given below, if all the three parts they have given you, you have to solve them separately. Then you have to give the reasons also for your particular answer. Coming to the question number 3rd A part, in this they have given you angle 3 and angle 6. If they have just given you two angles, then you are going to make only two angles on the line. There are many angles they have given you, but only you are going to study in first part which angle? 3 angle and angle 6. So angle 3 and angle 6. Are you able to see that? Yes or no? Which angle they are going to form? See, angle 3 is on the left side and angle 6 is on the right hand side. If left and right is there, they will be forming alternative angles. Okay, but first we have to find the value of angle 3 and angle 6. So coming to the solution of this question, the main thing is that there are two angles they have given you in the question in A part, then you have to study only two angles. Okay, so in the first part they have given you angle 3, which is 8x minus 7, and angle 6 equals to 6x plus 21. But what is this x? Have they given you the value of x? Yes, they have given you the value of x, and that is 14. So I'm going to substitute the value of x in both angle 3 and angle 6. Coming to the angle 3rd, angle 3 is equals to 8x minus 7. 8 multiplied by 14 minus 7. Okay, what is 14 8s are 112 minus 7. When we subtract them, we got 105 degree. Coming to the angle 6, substitute the value of x over here. 6 multiply, yes or no, there is no sign between 6 and x, they are going to be multiply by 14 plus 21. So 14 6 is 84 plus 21, that is 105. I've just made only two angles from that figure, from the question, only angle 3 and angle 6, to clarify what type of angle they are forming. Angle 3 is on the left side and angle 6 is on the right hand side. Yes, if left and right is there, then they will form alternative angle. As angle 3 and 6 are alternative and the values are also equal, if the values are equal, if the alternative angles are equal, then these two lines, M line and N line, will be parallel. Coming to the B part of the same question number 3, that is angle 1 and angle 5. So again we have to check only angle 1 and 5 from the question. No other examples, no other angles there is need to make. So we are going to make only angle 1 and angle 5 over here. What is the value of angle 1? They have given you angle 1 is equals to 4x plus 3, and angle 5 they have given you 5x minus 22, where they have given you the value of x also. What is the value of x? Check, that is 25. So angle 1 is equals to 4x plus 3. In place of x, I am going to put the value of x, and the value of x is 25. 4 multiplied by 25 plus 3. 4 multiplied by 25 will be 100. Do you remember board mass? So first you have to multiply and then you have to add. To multiply these two numbers, we will get 100 plus 3, that is 103. Coming to the angle 5, substitute the value of x. What is the value of x? That is given in the question, check. That is 25. So 5 multiplied by 25 minus 22. What is 5 multiplied by 25? That is 125 minus 22, that is 103. Again they are same. So first we will check what type of angle 1 and 5 will form. Coming to the angle 1, that is on left of transversal above the line. 5 is also on the left of transversal and above the second line. So they are exactly same. What is the meaning of same angles? Exactly same angles are corresponding angle. Yes, as angle 1 and 5 are what type of angle? They are exactly same, corresponding angles. Okay, and check the value of angle 1 and 5, that is equal. So the line M is parallel to N. These two lines are parallel. Okay. So C part is exactly same. Two angles they have given you. They have given you the value of X. Just check that in the book. Check in C part, angle 4 and angle 6. They have given you the value of X also. Correct? So what is angle 4 and angle 6? We will make only angle 4 and angle 6. Where is 4? It is here. So I am going to make angle 4. Where is angle 6? It is here. Okay. I am going to make angle 6. Can you relate what is angle 4 and 6? They are on the same side and interior. So they will form co-interior. Then what you have to check? That the sum of co-interior is what it should be? Is 180 degree. So for that, first you have to find the value of 4, value of 6, then you are going to add both of these angles and you can get the value of 180. If it is 180 degree, yes, these two lines will be parallel. If the sum is not 180, then these two lines are not parallel. You know that? Yes, they're exactly same. That's why this will be your homework. Coming to the fourth. So come to the question number 4, is AB line is parallel to CD or not? So first we will make only AB and CD. Which two lines we have to check? AB and CD. So I am going to make only AB and CD. I am not going to see anything else. Angle line AB, line CD, and there's the angle over here. So I am going to make this transversal. Okay, this is AB, this is CD. They have given this angle and this angle. Then which type of angle they are? Co-interior. Correct? They are on the same side of transversal and interior of these two lines. Co-interior. Okay. Then what is the complete angle of angle ABD? Angle ABD. You know, this is angle ABD. It's like this. So we are going to name it in the same manner. ABD. This complete ABD will be this. How we are going to find it? When we add these two angles, I will get complete angle. 32 plus 47. I will get this. Again, angle BDC. What is BDC? It will be like this. BDC. Correct? So in BDC, again this is the complete angle. They have given in two parts. For making it one, we are going to add them. Yes. Then we will check if their sum is 180, then they will form co-interior, and if they are co-interior, the lines will be parallel. So come to the solution. Coming to the solution, angle ABD, this is the complete angle. How to make it complete? By adding the two separate angles they have given. That is 32 plus 47, that is 79. Then BDC. The name, according to the name, just take BDC. This is angle here. Again, they have given you in two parts. Correct? To make it one, we are going to add them. 66 plus 35, that is 101 degree. And these two angles are, they are interior of the line, then co-interior. Correct? So angle ABD plus angle BDC equals to 180 degree. Okay, if these two angles sum is 180, then definitely the line will be parallel. Why? Because the marked angles are co-interior and the sum of co-interior angle over here is 180 degrees. So after this you have to write, so line AB is parallel to CD. Correct? Coming to the B part of the question, that is also very easy. In that, what we have to check in the question number 4, that AB line is parallel to CD or not. So for that, we are going to check only line AB and CD. Other than if there is any line, just ignore it. We are not going to focus on any other line. So which line we have to prove? AB and CD. So I am going to make only these two lines, AB, CD. Only check these two lines and nothing else. Okay, only these two lines, AB line and CD line. So hide the another line. If there is any other line, just hide it. We don't need it. Okay, and even the above one, this one, we don't need that. We need only AB and CD. So coming to the solution, I made only AB and CD. Just check in the question, on line AB there is angle 35 and on line CD there is angle 32. Correct? And this is on the left, this is on the right. If the left and right they are forming alternative, but these angles are not equal. If angles are not equal, then the line will not be parallel. As marked angles are alternative, but alternative angles are not equal, so the line AB is not parallel to line CD. Correct? Coming to the C part. Again, if there is any other line, just ignore that. We are going to focus only on line AB and line CD. I made only line AB and CD line and the angles, respective angles which were given on these two lines. Coming to the question first, for the better understanding, come to the question. See, this is line AB and this is CD. Yes, this is AB, this one is CD, and like this. Correct? On AB line and the transversal, there is no angle given. Is there any angle given over this AB and this transversal? No. So I'm going to write it X. If no angle is given, I'm going to make it X. Okay. On CD line, just check on CD, what is angle 40. Okay. So they are forming, this is on the right, this is on the left, they are forming alternative. So we have to check whether the angle X and 40 are same or not. So first we have to find the value of X. How to find this value? Of course, by given angles. What are the given angles? This is 20 degree and 125 degree. The arrow means, what is the meaning of this arrow? If this line is having the arrow, this will be the transversal, and this line is also having the arrow. What does it mean? That these two lines are parallel. Over here, the complete angle. See the complete angle, because we need the complete angle, not the half angle. I can't make this half angle 20 only. I have to make it complete. So what is the complete angle? Check. With this parallel line and this transversal, with this parallel line and this transversal, the complete angle is this. Correct? This X plus 20, and this one is 125. Just check, are they forming anything? Yes, they are co-interior. They are on the same side and interior of the parallel line, so co-interior. Then what is the sum of co-interior? 180. Yes, this only I have written in the solution. Coming to the solution, 20 plus X, this is the complete angle, okay, from that parallel line which I have shown you, plus 125 equals to 180. Why? Sum of co-interior angle is 180 degree. Then 20 plus 125, because they both are constant numbers, so we can add them. That is 145 plus X is equals to 180. Again constant, coming to the constant number, that is from the left hand side come to the right hand side. Here it is positive, coming to the, here it will become negative. X equals to 35. We got the value of X, correct? And it is 35. The marked angles are alternative, but they are not equal. So I have written angle. See this angle, how to name this angle? We are going to make it like this. So we are going to name it like this. The way we make angles, the name is also in the similar way. Angle BAD. If I am going to make BAD, this is the angle. Okay, angle as BAD and ADC or CDA, they are same. Okay, and this angle are alternative. Correct? But alternative angles are not equal. So line AB is not parallel to CD. Got it? I hope you understood this. You have to copy the solution in your classwork notebook, and there is a homework for you. As exercise 5 H's of construction, then we are going to do this in our offline classes. That is in the school we are going to complete this exercise, only having 3 questions of construction. Okay. Then you have to do the homework. So for that, come to the page number, that is your 129. It's here. First you have to complete this mental math in the book, and then the MCQs were given. Practice them. If there would be any doubt, we are going to solve them in the class. Okay, but you have to complete it in your homework. Then come to the chapter review. They are fill up and MCQs, true fall MCQ matchup. So you have to complete this book work in the book, and then we will discuss these questions. Okay, in the homework you have to complete it. I hope you understood this.